Okra when I know, now okra I know. Ugu na ugu. Tomatoes na tomatoes. Pawpaw na pawpaw. Oh, you both say no, say life must add us. They can't introduce botanical name. What the hell is Carica papaya? Dioscorea esculentus, Manihot utilissima, Sidra acuta, Obeki. Wait, they consign us. You don't ever go market, go meet woman when they say okra. Say, Eyami, for me, Dioscorea esculentus meta. For me, Manihot utilissima Mary. For me, Parasipia meta. You see the woman go say, ole, ooh. Teach us what we not used to today. Do you know say they not give me food for us because I not feel it? I go live in the town of Lagoon, which is not far from Ibadan. He went to primary school. He was in primary 4. Everyone liked Agbo because he's lovely and friendly. Agbo was a lucky boy. His parents were rich. His father bought him a wristwatch. He was very proud of it. One day Agbo woke up very 8:30, very late. He just, what did concern Agbo? Did I go reach Ibadan? I go ask hold me. Oga Ejo Emma Bino, where Agbo house? I want to see Agbo. You leave me when they go school. Dead live in Calabar. So he's 8 years old. I see my business. Ali and Simbi is a boy. I hear now say Ali de mowe before they do Yahoo. Simbi na ide korodu. They use academic take scam us. I wish they teach us how to do aeroplane when we sumo. By now, we forgot to do our own plane. I wish they teach us how to construct cars when we sumo. By now, not be only innocent for this country. They not teach us. The only thing they teach us, now what we learn from our mama, which is Agbo. Agbo, live, help. Now they teach us so. That's why you see say many Agbo there everywhere. We they get Okmai, we they get Mokite, we they get Bakurumo. We get them many. We know them all. When people say those days, if we just sick some more, we never need to sick. It not be like nowadays children. When do you run temperature? They don't go hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing happen to all of us here, except you not grow from village. When your mama say you go buy some more thing. Johnny when supposed to take you 2 minutes, he can take you 5 minutes. Your mama go look, you go say, this one way they do smell. So come. You will come open your eye. Hey, whoa, fever they come. Fever they come. Oh, the innocent fever never ever come. Oh, they come. Maybe the fever they mowe bafu. Your mom can't go back here. Can't cut dogoyaro tree. Can't cut mango leaf. Can't cut pawpaw leaf. Can't cashew. Can't cut everything. Can't put the inside pot. Can't put and can't they boil and can't carry you put for joko. Can't carry you for near. Can't use wrapper cup duvet cover. They call they roast typhoid. For my friend, I saw typhoid blue and white. Typhoid come outside. They run. Now typhoid call it malaria. Run from that family. Run for that family will be terrorists. This Lagos when I get patient too. For Benin, somebody they crack joke, nobody laugh. You will see somebody go your ass. Wait. Go ask that guy whether they crack joke or they make speech. You will see the cock carry small pikin come meet you. For your joke when you they crack brother, not vessel. Brother Sarasime I come ask you. What you they do? You they crack joke or you they make speech? You go say, of course I'm cracking joke. Okay, doesn't mean I give you 2 joke. Yeah, give me 1. Poor! Not tell anybody or not let you tell this joke. You want to receive the other one? And I want to say, no. The former joke is very funny. Bini, those people, bros, you know say for Lagos, if you want to rob people now, if you put pistol for here, as you reach your table, you raise them, make them see your pistol, then you begin to obtain. Oh yeah, give me that one. Hey, yeah, give me your phone. For Bini, go try her. Carry a pistol for you. Raise and show somebody. As they see and they go ask you, you won't sell them? Because I say, Oops, an original one though. Because the purpose when I buy this money here. You ain't want to rob, you go wrong. Benin normally, if you want pass information, give this guy now. Say bad guys they around. They yell, say bad guys they around. Make the guy take careful. Guy, Alpha. Oh, Bob, watch your back. Oh, some kind guys they around. I don't understand. Watch your back. Now bad guy, you can't move. But for Benin, they want pass information. Yeah. Oh, Sakpama run, they want kill you. Run, they want kill you. You know, say when alcohol mixed with family problem, nothing you know if you do. Ladies and gentlemen, I shock. I go. What did they call her? All this bed Niger. I shock. I see Pastor Chris. They mark ticket. I said, Pastor, you there do this one too? He said, do you think I depend on your tithe and not free? Because I said, Pastor Chris, Abi. Ladies and gentlemen, he don't read though. Somebody talk say for their area, goat, they eat goat meat. Chama, I greet you. For this hard time, you see, carry 2 women. Wow. The 2 women said they eat the fish like a doctor recommend them. And you know the funny thing, the 2 girls they eat and they laugh. This guy they eat and they squeeze face. Person, you carry only you call, you go carry your sister, follow body, and all the now this kind of thing. If they chop this salad, now people they lick the pepper self. You know the guy will go chop on your tears go come over your eye. When the guy go come and say, honey, why you crying? Because say you don't know tomorrow is Valentine. This is tears of love. Now lie, tears of hardship.